Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Right, the moment MGP goes and joins the BJP, it is a cutout victory for the BJP. Now, who stopped the MGP from going there? It is the TMC, not the Congress party. I am confident that I will go back to my people and I will explain to them. And I am confident they will stay with me. They have seen my work for the last 3 terms. Irrespective of how much support I got from the party, I have stood by the people. It's time when I explain to my people, and I have full confidence and faith that my people will stay with me. I was targeted, I would join the BJP by my own people. How much of faith they had in me? Who was the person who projected candidates on me? When I was in the same party, my own party leaders projected candidates on me.
Because today the fight is not just for the people of Curtorim, the fight is for the people of India. And this is a fight that is not just a political fight. I think it's a moral fight, it's a cultural fight, it's actually even a spiritual fight, where we are fighting against forces that are destroying this land everywhere we go.